Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USDJPY, USDCHF, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and as you can see that this is a trending market, and as we all know, trading on a trending market is easier, always easier in comparison to sideways market or a choppy market, range bound market. And there should not be any doubt that this market is going up. As you can see that constantly market is making higher highs and market is going up. And you can see that apart from the trend, we also have a support also. Okay. So we have a support in the form of this trend line. Okay. So if you just look at the chart here, one thing is clear, market is an uptrend. And if we look at the present trend of the market also, then also we can see that this market is an uptrend. So in simple words or in clear words, this market is under the dominance of buyers. Number of buyers are higher in comparison to number of sellers. Okay. Therefore, following the trend of the market, or if you follow the basic rule of the market, which says trend is your friend, trend is your best friend, trend is your soulmate, brother, sister, wife, husband. So anyways, if you follow the basic rule of the market, which says follow the trend, it means that if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is falling or downtrend, then we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as you can clearly see that this market is in uptrend, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities to be on the safer side. And the next important point is area of value. What is area of value? I have been speaking about area of value in hundreds and hundreds of videos. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. In an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity is always near the support because our risk to reward ratio matches. And in a downtrend market, the best trading opportunity or the area of value is always near the resistance. It's just like going to a market. Okay, if you go to a market, what we do is that we always look for the best price. So in the market also, you get the best price. If a market is an uptrend, you get the best price near the support, and if a market is a downtrend, if you get the best price near the resistance because of risk to reward ratio. So area of value is the support because this market is an uptrend. And if I zoom out the chart, and as I have just spoken earlier, that this trend line, as you can clearly see, that yes, acting as a very strong support for the market. And if you do not have this line in your charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw this line, at least actually these two lines, because these two lines are extremely important or very important for the USD CAD chart. First and foremost, you must draw this line. This line is acting as a dynamic support for a market. Okay, and as you can see that from here, market bounced again. So it clearly signifies that this trend line is a valid support for the market. Therefore, considering the trend of the market, okay, listen to me carefully now. Considering the trend of the market and considering the uptrend and the support, the best trading opportunity in a chart like this or in USD CAD, it's always near this trend line. So just keep in mind that in the future also, if you get a setup like this, then you'll get the best trading opportunity at this trend line only. Okay. So if market comes down and takes support in this trend line again in the coming days, after 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, does not matter. Okay, it doesn't matter when the market will be coming, but just listen to me carefully. Whenever market will come down and take support at this trend line, then we'll get a good buying opportunity, a good money making opportunity. But as you can see right now, okay, and as you can see right now that market is trading here quite far away from the trend line support. Therefore, we should also look at this particular level. So first trading opportunity you have understood, I guess. The first trading opportunity is at buy at this trend line. Clear? Okay. So right now, as the market is trading quite far away from this current market price, therefore we need to go to the weekly chart once. So this is the weekly chart of USD CAD here. Okay, and if I remove the drawings, then you can see that this is the scenario right now. Okay, we have a resistance here. The line that you just saw on the 4 hours chart is a resistance from the weekly chart, 1.2610, and you can see that right now market is trying to cross the level here. Right now market is trying to cross the level here. So as you can see that market has also tried to cross the level previously, but market has failed all the time. And market is trying to cross the level since 5th July, first week of July, and we are standing in August right now. And still market is trying, but we do not have the surety or confirmation whether market will be able to cross the line or not. So as long as, listen to me carefully now. So as long as market is trading in this particular level or near this level, do not go for any buy order and do not go for any sell order, because right now we still do not have the confirmation yet whether market will be able to cross or not. Right now again, with the 0.2620, keep in mind 0.2620, this is the level that you need to keep your eyes on, and do not short the market right now. Though market is standing at the resistance, but do not short the market, because see, if you just look at these candles here, try to understand the market psychology here. Just look at these candles. Don't you think that market is extremely bullish right now? Don't you think bulls are very much serious right now in taking the price upward? Therefore, this is not the right position in the market to short it. Wait for some time, wait for the market to reverse, then only short the market. And in case of market crosses also this level, then also do not buy. Do not go for buy right away. Listen to me carefully. Do not go for buy right away. In case you find market crossing this level, at least wait for 4 to 6 hours. Waiting for 4 to 6 hours is extremely important, because this level is acting as a resistance for the market for since July. Therefore, confirmation is always important. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is trading comfortably above the resistance, then you'll get the confirmation that at last market has crossed the resistance and the resistance has become support. Once you get the confirmation that resistance has become the support, then only go for buy. Otherwise, do not buy right away. And do not short the market also right now, because you can see that market is bullish. So you'll only short the market below this candle. Okay, below this candle, or you can short the market here only. Okay, if you see, okay, after some time, if you see a market forming a red candle, big fat red candle, okay, then only short the market. Otherwise, do not short the market. Be careful. Okay. And right now you can see that price tried to go up, or price is still trying or struggling to go up. Okay, struggle is there. So right now there is a 50-50 chance. Right now there is a 50-50 chance. So don't do anything right now. Wait for the market to form a red candle. Once you see that market has failed to cross the level, then only short the market. Generally, I do not recommend shorting the market in an uptrend market. Whenever market is in uptrend, I do not recommend to short the market, but this is a level from the weekly chart. This is a level that is acting as a resistance since July. Therefore, we can take a risk, I think so. And anyways, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's a request. Okay, so if market comes down to the support level, that's the best call. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities. And if you want to check out the forex sentiment meter, just go to my website and you'll see that as usual, retail traders are on the opposite side. 61% have taken short position. Already they have taken short position. Okay, market has not reversed yet, and 38% are on the long side. Therefore, trade wisely, trade with proper analysis, and do not trade like that. That's it. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow again.